Jeep Wranglers have earned a reputation for durability and their ability to handle some of the toughest terrains. But one question that often arises among prospective owners and enthusiasts is, just how long will a Jeep Wrangler last? The short answer is that a well-maintained Jeep Wrangler can last decades, sometimes even surpassing 300,000 miles. However, many factors come into play, such as maintenance routines, driving habits, and environmental conditions. What is the average lifespan of a Jeep Wrangler? If cared for properly, a Jeep Wrangler can last between 200 to 300,000 miles or more. This roughly translates to 15 to 20 years of use, assuming an average annual mileage of about 15,000 miles. Many Jeep owners proudly share stories of their Wranglers reaching 300 to 400,000 miles, highlighting how proper maintenance and care can lead to extraordinary results. These high-mileage Wranglers are often passed down through generations, becoming cherished family heirlooms. They showcase the incredible durability and resilience of the Jeep brand, making it a beloved choice for adventurers and everyday drivers alike. One of the biggest factors that contribute to the Jeep Wrangler's lifespan is regular maintenance. Wranglers are built tough, but even the most rugged vehicle needs proper care to perform at its best. Routine tasks such as oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks are essential. Following the manufacturer's maintenance schedule is highly recommended. Neglecting these basics can lead to premature wear and tear, reducing the vehicle's overall lifespan. In addition to basic maintenance, timely repairs are just as crucial. Components like the suspension, transmission, and brakes may eventually need to be replaced. Using high-quality parts for repairs can make a significant difference in the longevity of your Wrangler. The importance of driving habits. How you drive your Jeep Wrangler also plays a critical role in determining how long it will last. While these vehicles are designed to handle rough terrain, driving aggressively, like speeding over potholes or frequently slamming on the brakes, can take a toll on critical components. Gentle and consistent driving, even off-road, will help extend the life of the vehicle. Environmental factors. Environmental conditions can greatly impact the condition of a Jeep Wrangler over time. Rust, for instance, is a common issue in areas with salted winter roads or high humidity. The undercarriage is especially vulnerable, so regular cleaning and rust-proofing can prevent corrosion. For owners living in snowy or coastal regions, washing the vehicle regularly to remove salt and moisture is highly recommended. Lastly, the availability of aftermarket parts makes it easier to repair and upgrade Wranglers, further extending their lifespan. Tips to make your Jeep Wrangler last longer. Maximizing the life of your Jeep Wrangler requires a proactive approach. Start by adhering to a consistent maintenance schedule. Pay close attention to oil changes, fluid levels, and tire pressure. Protect the vehicle against rust, especially in harsh climates, by applying rust-proof coatings or using specialized sprays. Also, avoid pushing your Jeep beyond its limits unnecessarily. This applies both on and off-road. If you're planning to store the vehicle for an extended period, ensure it's in a dry and covered location to prevent moisture buildup. Investing in quality replacement parts is another way to boost the longevity of your Wrangler. Whether it's new tires, suspension components, or brakes, choosing reputable brands will ensure reliable performance over the years. Conclusion: built to go the distance. Jeep Wranglers are more than just vehicles. They are reliable companions for both off-road enthusiasts and city dwellers. With proper care and attention to maintenance, your Wrangler can last decades, taking you on countless adventures and journeys. Whether you're climbing rugged trails or navigating daily commutes, a Wrangler promises durability, reliability, and a legacy that stands the test of time. Treat your Jeep Wrangler well, and it will reward you with years, if not decades, of dependable service. As Jeep fans often say, take care of your Wrangler, and it'll take care of you.